Well, this is going to be a long one. I think it was 21 hours. It's been going for about 2 hours so far. I've just noticed this is another one where it seems to have moved everything towards the front. I'll have to check out the settings on the printer. I had a problem the other day printing a 3D printed helicopter. 3D helicopter. And that had come right down to the front. Anyway, we'll see. Not going to tell you what this is until later. Although I expect the title of the video will probably tell you. Well, this isn't good. Looks like it's working, doesn't it? But it's not. There's no filament coming out the bottom. It's not going to focus, is it? Oh, that's doing nothing at all. Broken again. What is going on? It's all out of focus. Yeah, there we are. And I reckon that's nozzle blocked again. There, that's ground its way through again. But why? Right. And I've just unscrewed the top of the heater. Doesn't look very pleasant. Somewhere in the middle of there it's jammed. I'm trying to push some fresh filament through to clear it, and it won't go. Looks to me like this tube guide, where it goes into the top here, it's held in place by that connector. That looks like it's actually, well, at the very least it's deteriorated. But my problem at the moment is I can't get the filament out of this tube. It's trapped at this end. I've tried pushing it from both directions and it just won't move. This at this end looks like it's expanded a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. It looks like it's bulging slightly. So, at the very least, it looks to me like I need to replace this. It's probably easiest to replace the whole hot end, can't remember what it's called, the heat sensor. It all comes in one piece, all of that. So that's probably the easiest thing to do, if I can get them. And I'm just wondering if it's a short-term fix. I just tried cutting that off right there, because I'm measuring it out, and I reckon it'll still fit even if I cut it that short. So that might work as a temporary fix. Might. And I don't think I've got anything to lose, because even if I replace that, I've still got to get this filament out of this tube, so I need to replace the tube as well. So I might as well cut it. And I've cleaned it again. So that filament coming through. Don't know if I can push it with one hand. I'm pushing it through, and it's going through now. I'll give it another try, because that lump of muck came through when I pushed it first time. Come on, focus. Have I fixed it? You just have to come back later and have a look. Well, we seem to be working okay at the moment. Maybe. Possibly. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description. And if you like this video, you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.